This beat has been jacked by the tag jacker.
OVO Sound Radio.
I open up to you, Jesus. Please tell me what to do, Jesus. I let her say your name, Jesus. So I do it every day, Jesus. But you're invisible to the human eyes, but you don't have limits in this world. You are the way, the truth, and the life.
I get it.
Therefore I put my trust in you, because you're always right. I open up to you, Jesus. Please tell me what to do, Jesus. I let her say your name, Jesus. So I do it every day, Jesus. You take your time with me. Focused on you, I'll be ready to teach the world exactly how to breathe. With you, I open up to you, Jesus. Please tell me what to do, Jesus. I let her say your name, Jesus. So I do it every day, Jesus. Nobody is perfect, therefore we don't have to be. God made us perfect, in His image so happily. Nothing went wrong until a servant met Adam and Eve, because God told the man not to eat off the tree of knowledge of good and evil, but he did. I open up to you, Jesus. Please tell me what to do, Jesus. I let her say your name, Jesus. So I do it every day, Jesus.
Day and night.
I'm lost without you.
Day and night.
Jesus.
Day and night.